welcome to Ersao. So this is the newest Taiwanese restaurant dito po sa Angeles City, and we were invited to come and check out dahil nga the time na na-vlog natin dito, ilang araw pa lang siyang nakabukas. Actually, this is our table. Ayan, so Joyce is getting ready for the shoot. Ito naman yung ating counter. This is where the milk teas are prepared, yung mga refreshment natin. Sa likod nun, kitchen. Notice yung parang pinaka-facade natin dito. Para siyang Taiwanese market, night market. For me, I feel like it's homey, no? It's very easy to the eye. They wanna make us feel nga na you are in a Taiwanese night market. At ayun nga guys, again, welcome to Ersao, and this is our table. The first one is, so ito yung kanilang Signature Beef Noodles. Para sa akin, parang braised beef with noodles and mga root crops, vegetables. We also have some greens. Alright, so next bowl is the creamy seafood noodle. Ito naman siya guys, if you notice, we have like shrimp, different kind of meatballs. And if you notice, again, from the look of it, it is so creamy. Next is the beef Genji with dumpling noodles. Comes with the meat, and later on titikman natin yan. Another bowl that I'm really excited is yung kanilang Hong Ma Bendong, which is this one. Look at this. So my impression, para siyang yung deconstructed na patatim, no? This is the asado siopaw. Okay, so for the appetizers and finger food, meron tayong chili squid and nuts. Ito siya. Look at this. So this one is actually new to me. Tawag dito ay Chen Pula fries. It's a classic Taiwanese finger food made from fish paste and fried until crisp. Whoa! And then lastly guys, this is their pork ear, one of their side dishes, and appetizer. And for our drinks, they gave us passion fruit tea, lemon Yakult, and ripe mango shake. So what are we waiting for? Let's get into this. Kain na tayo! Yung pork's ear natin. So para siyang, ang pagkakaluto niya, yung meat or yung even yung skin, yung fat, para siyang naging glass noodles. Parang ganun. Chen Pula fries. Trying for the first time. Para siyang kikiam na you don't need a sauce to taste. Para siyang ganun. So it's peppery, a little bit salty. Alright guys, this is their Hong Ma Bendong. Sabi ko kanina guys, para siyang similarity ng parang patatim, para siyang gano'n, para sa akin. Actually, the fat is sobrang lambot niya na parang it almost dissolves immediately. So flavorful. I like it. So there you have it guys, another place for you to check out if you are into Taiwanese snacks, mga street food, and even mga dishes nila, mga like noodles and rice bowls. Guys, you gotta check out Ersao. Just trivia, at Ersao pala is second sister-in-law. Ayun guys, that's just a trivia. So si Ersao po is located dito sa may along McArthur Highway, Santo Cristo. This is in Angeles City. They are open from 10 AM up until 9:30 PM. So if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out guys. Bye.